Okay, and we're back. Welcome to Durs Codes. Today we're working on a Claude Code SDK wrapper for Remotion. It all stemmed from a tweet. This is Remotion. I'll make videos programmatically. So if we go to X, we go to replies. So it stemmed from this tweet. Use Claude Code as your video editor. All these videos were created by Claude Code because Remotion can programmatically write code or make play code in its video editor. This guy here. And for example, like this video is Midjourney. The audio is 11 Labs, but these subtitles are actually programmed with Claude Code, and these are all inserted into the composition with Claude Code. So if we just play this here, now keep in mind that these are just random stuff put together. We're going to make this a lot more seamless, and we're going to have video generation from Midjourney and audio generation from 11 Labs and subtitle like style and effects all from chatting with it in Claude Code with the AI assistant and having it put it on the canvas, and then you could still go and edit. So here's an example.
I've been working in this computer
1 second, I gotta mute my sound settings, output.
all day, and I felt like something is about to happen.
So I'm gonna start from the beginning.
I've been working in this computer all day, and I felt like something is about to happen. Gotta call Muhammad and see what's going on. And the power just went out. Now I've been working.
So we're going to try and make the scene to the subtitles. Now, I've got different assets in here. We got 2, which is him like possibly calling his friend. It's kind of messed up. The AI didn't get it perfect there. This could be another view. This could be the first one actually. And then 3. And then 4 could be the next one because it darkens, the power went out. So if we go to AI Assistant and we wanted to put 2 on the scene at once. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll give it a try. So you just go /media at video / I think it was 2 /audio / or at audio. Yeah, this isn't going to work, but it's worth showing. Audio /1 at SRT /1, or no, at audio / 1 is correct. That was all correct actually. At SRT /1, and then /media, or no, we're in composition /video, or at video / we did 2 and then we said 4. We'll see what this does. So it says videos /2 sound 1. So created 3 subtitle entries. Let's see, we go to compositions. So there's this current one we're on. There's this new one. Okay, so we have to look at some code. Where's cursor? So we're using spec-driven development with these Claude agents, requirements gathering, design, planning, and executing. I can provide those. Those were provided kindly by another developer. It was pulled from Kiro. Now we're going to say, go into plan mode. We're going to say currently, the user can add 1 video, 1 audio, and 1 SRT at a time. I want them to be able to, when in one composition, I want them to be able to add on to that composition, because currently if they do /media again, it just creates a new composition. So how do we add to that composition? So if we go, worry about that later. Continuing on, we were looking at its plan. or we just asked it for a plan. Currently, the /media command creates a new composition each time. We need to add functionality to append to existing compositions. Add new /commands. /media-add. That's nice. Add media to current /last composition. /media-current. Okay, composition ID. Change video source to video sources. Do we need an array? We're just doing one video at a time. We'll see what it does. Yeah, because it's a media composition. We need that. Okay, we'll try this and then we'll improve it as we go. We'll run that. It's going to start thinking shucking. So it's just gone in and updated media composition. So if we go there, media composition, this is the file that it's working out of. It doesn't show me the diffs in here, that's fine. Line 150, so here, command processor. So okay, so these are all the / commands that we've set up. Add media to existing composition. So while that's working, let's go in here and let's just write down what our assets we want are. So 1 is that one, 2 is that one. We want 3 and 4. We want 3 and 4. So even though it's super simple, I'm just going to write down my order of operations here. So it's going to be 1 for the SRT and 1 for the audio. And I think the clips are matched so that 2 of those will be the same as the SRT, but I'm not 100% sure, or the audio. But eventually the editor will do all that for you. So we've got 3, 4, and then 1 for audio, and 3 and 4 for video. Then we'll do that 2 steps at a time. So let's go back and check the code. Still working away. It's shucking, it says. Shucking. Looks like it's ready for us to test. So we're going to go and run a make command once this final part finishes here. The implementation maintains backward compatibility while adding powerful composition building capabilities. Users can now build complex media compositions incrementally by adding videos, audio tracks, and subtitles as needed. Create an initial composition. Add more media to the specific composition. Add to the current / last composition. So we're going to try this media / current. So we'll run our make command. We will start our server. We will go to AI Assistant. We will create a first scene, which is going to be /media video /3, enter, at audio /1, enter, SRT /1, enter. That's all we need for that one. And then we go to compositions and we have our composition, and the hope is that we get just one more video on the screen. That's all we need. So hopefully it'll let us just add one part. So we're gonna go / what's the command again? It is written for us /media-current media dash. Okay, we don't have it in the options here just yet. We'll try it though. Media-current at video /4, enter, and okay, so it's there. Composition is there. So now they're doubled up. Now we don't have that's actually pretty cool, transparency, but we don't have a way to manually edit those yet. So, and I don't know if we've implemented anything in here to edit it. So we can try. Can you move clip 4.mp4 in the composition to right after 3.mp4? It really surprised me if this worked. but we'll try. We'll send. So it's going to say move to frame 0. And if we refresh here, we lose our media composition. That's great. So it didn't save what we had. So if we run this command again, let's see. Oh no, we run this command again. See if it puts it in the composition again. No current media composition found. Okay, so I'm going to run this chat through here and tell it my findings. Plan mode. So this is very close, but what happened was it created the media composition all correct, and then I added to the media current, and it added a video, but it was below the composition, not in the next scene, like not at the video wasn't after. And then I attempted to ask it to move the video on the composition, but I don't think we've implemented that feature yet. And then I refreshed the page, then I had to go back to the composition wasn't selected, and then I ran the /media-current command again, and it says no current media was selected. So what should we do about, okay, we'll have to think. Okay, we're back. So it's basically saying videos are stacking instead of sequencing. Yep, current composition lost on refresh. No clip arrangement features. So what it's proposing is fixing the video sequencing, persisting current composition, adding clip management commands, and yeah, so let's just let it run its thing and we'll see. Shimmying, deciphering, bananaing, tomatoing. So it's made its to-do list, which is great to do the plan mode first. We've already done the spec-driven part, so you can see that we have got these docs here, requirements design. This one still needs the plan, I guess, to be finished, but we haven't got to this feature yet, I don't think. But there's another plan that implemented what I'm working on now at a higher level, docs. I think it's, no, that's different doc. This docs, so design requirements and tasks. So the tasks are like Claude Code SDK and integration infrastructure. We did that. Yeah, there's a bunch of different things we've done. Basic AI sidebar. Like this was done today, so that's how quick you can move with spec-driven development. AI spec-driven development, that is. Okay, gonna check in on my loopback. Okay, just checking my audio. Sounds pretty good, I think. We'll have to get it better. So I found that spec-driven development from AI Builder Club. I don't get referrals or anything for this, but I'm in here and it's super affordable, and there's like lots of different benefits. There's weekly calls, there's a lot of stuff, so I'd recommend it. But yeah, I don't get affiliate for that or anything. It's just a good place to get AI insights for building. That's where the Hero agents came from. There's a community member there, a community admin. Let's see. Okay, so it's claiming video sequencing fixed, persistence fixed, duration calculation, compose duration adjusts based on number of videos. What's working now? Okay, future enhancements. Okay, so it's talking about moving clips around in the timeline. That's fine because I didn't quite want to do that yet. So let's do our make. Okay, we got some errors. So let's ask it to run pnpm make, because it's going to find those errors and then fix them as long as it gets the same ones. Oh, no makescape. I'll just paste in the errors. I don't feel like giving it too much. Okay. We'll give it plan mode. I almost always like to give it plan mode first so I can think through the problem. There's also these think. Oh, there are 3 TypeScript errors. Fix with, yes. There's think as a command. You can add to the end or anywhere. Think hard. Think harder. Think harder. Ultra think. There's 4, I think. So Those are ways to get more thinking context. But I was listening to an AI newsletter the other day, and they're saying too much thinking can lead to hallucinations, which kind of makes sense because the model could have found the answer a lot earlier on the road, but it ends thinking too hard and getting the wrong answer. Do you want to proceed? I'll just run this myself because sometimes manual runs are just... Okay, so it's giving me more. So it didn't quite... Exciting stuff. Errors. I'll skip through this. Okay, the error's been fixed now. I've run the make command. We're going to go here. Reopen the studio. I'm going to steal the previous chat. So this one... AI assistant. Oh, it was right there. That's too funny. I have to fix this little bug where it's hidden kind of here. We're going to create a new one. And we also have to get it so that we don't have to go and find it. Compositions. Oh, what's it doing now? What is going on here? Okay, so let's go back here and see what we just did. Media, videos 3, sound 1, SRT 1. But there's... Maybe this needs a refresh with this command. Or a clear... No, we're getting a little bit hairy. Sometimes it takes up quite a bit of RAM. So there's this one. Okay, that's the newest one. And then we're going to run this one, which is going to take in the current, then 4, send, and it creates its own composition. It's not what we wanted. We wanted, let's check back here. So there's this one. Let's refresh the compositions. And there's this one and this one. So let's go back to the code. Let's just look at its instruction set. So it was saying, works after refresh. So media at video 3, create a composition, add more videos. Okay, let's try this. Let's just clear the chat. And okay, so that's the current. And then, so we're on current 3655. Hit send, and I just added one video. What video did I send? I added video 4, but I don't see video 4 on here, and it said it added it to that composition. So 3655, go to composition. So we're on this one. It added it here and it threw us an error. So we're going to pump this error into Claude. So I'm going to say I ran the /media composition video 3 audio 1, and then add more videos media -current video 4. I got this crash. Wonder if I can refresh a different so I can get my chat with it. Here's the chat log, and then I also want to give it the console log. I'm going to wrap it up pretty quick here because I'm getting pretty tired. Okay, composition media. I wonder if I can use that paste command from Claude. Console. Oh, I never mapped. Okay, well, we'll just try this. We'll go enter in plan mode. Claiming this usage problem. I don't think that's me, but let's try it. I'm going to clear this. Paste. It's claiming that I'm not using the exact paths. I thought I was just using what it selected. And subtitle 0, that's fine because I didn't choose one. I was just testing the clip. And then media current 732, send 732, composition 732. Oh, this may not have subtitles. Let's see.
I've been working in this computer all day, and I felt like something is about to happen. Gotta call Muhammad and see what's going on. I've been working in this computer all day, and I felt like something is about to happen.
So now if we forgot the subtitles, I wonder, just by testing, if I went media dash no slash media dash current at srt slash 1.srt send, and it's going to say 312 subtitle entries 732, and it added the subtitles. That's wild. Okay, that's a good spot to end. So let's watch this. Let's watch this full screen.
I've been working in this computer all day, and I felt like something is about to happen. Gotta call Muhammad and see what's going on. I've been working in this computer all day, and I felt like...
So it's kind of synced up. Like, I gotta get the storyline right. Eventually be able to enter the storyline it generates from Midjourney, all this sort of stuff. So we're getting there, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum to all my brothers and sisters, and peace out, all my friends.